start.
Thank you, Chairperson,
Mr.
sir,
Kumar.
for ask me to giving permission to support this bill, farmers' important bill, sir. Sir, I am sure that our Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji's able leadership will take the nation to greater heights of glory in knowledge, science, education, and agriculture. His sincere effort in eradicating the word poverty and doubling farmers' income fascinates everyone around the world. Today, his birthday, sir. So, on behalf of my ADMK party, I wish Honorable Prime Minister good health and pray God for long life to save our nation. Sir, this bill I would like to say that this government has always been at the forefront of resolving farmers' issue. This bill provides a roadmap of farm production, and farmers will have their own authority and will not be dependent on the traders. Farmers will not have to face any uncompetitive prices. Through this bill, it creates an ecosystem where the farmers and traders enjoy the freedom of choice relating to sale and purchase of farmers' produce. Our farmers in India are suffered from various restrictions. So through this bill, this restriction will be removed, sir. Sir, I represent a state and constituency whose primary occupation is agriculture. I believe this bill provides a boost to our Tamil Nadu state economy. Sir, two requisitions to Honorable Minister. Sir, most of our farmers are small-scale farmers. Due to their financial condition, they will not be able to cover large distance to transport their produce. So, my humble request the government to provide subsidies in transportation to those small farmers. And one more point, sir. Our farmers are all not very sound in electronic trading. So I request that to give those farmers a proper training and high regulations in online trading to avoid fraud. Finally, sir, this recent COVID-19 crisis, our economic conditions are affected. So there is an opportunity, this bill presented an opportunity to improve Indian agricultural marketing system, which farmers were required by law. Through this bill, our India government has proposed major policy reforms to remove many of the long-standing hurdles constraining agricultural growth and doubling farmers' income. Through this, I support this bill, sir. Thank you.